So let's introduce you to the dictionary data type. We're going to do this in 2 steps. So in this video, we're going to take a look at number 1, what is a dictionary? And number 2, how do you create a dictionary? Let's go in and take a look. So a dictionary is literally what it says on the tin, right? It's sort of like a book where there is words you can look up and there's definitions of those words, like a normal dictionary. This is abstracted in Python to be a data type where you can use keys to look up values. So in the analogy, we have words and definitions. So the word is a key and the value is the definition. You look up the dictionary using the key, i.e. you find a word and then you look at the value or you retrieve the value and you use that as a key value map. So what does a dictionary look like in Python? A very simple way to do this is to say my dictionary equals to dictionary, let's say apple equals fruit. What happened here? We created a variable my dictionary, we assigned it a value, and we create a dictionary by using the dict function and supplying it some information. Now this is a new way of supplying information because we actually said apple equals to fruit. So there's another assignment happening within the dictionary's parameters. What this does is actually we say for the variable associated with the dictionary, apple, we assign it a value of fruit. In dictionary terms, apple is the key and fruit is the value. So now what this allows us to do is to, much like looking up a normal dictionary, we can look up a dictionary in Python by using the index notation again. But in this case, instead of giving a number which represents the position of the element, we give it a key which represents what value should the dictionary retrieve. If we execute this, we can see that Python went into myDict, which is a dictionary, gave it the key apple, and it returns the value of the key, which is fruit. So there are multiple ways of defining dictionaries. We can do dict apple equals fruit, which we have seen here. Equivalently, we can directly use this notation to define a dictionary. We can say apple, as you can see, works the same way. So there are some restrictions to what you can use as keys, but there are no restrictions on what you can use as values. So you can put dictionaries within dictionaries. So we can have my dict2 equals. So this is like a nested list, but it's a nested dictionary. To retrieve the values, we use a similar notation as a nested list. So we first give it the top level index, or the key, and then the second level key, like this. Okay, so that's all there is to it. So we've just learned what is a dictionary. A dictionary corresponds to the real-world concept of a dictionary where we're looking up words and its definitions. It's abstracted to say we're looking up a key to see what the value of the key is. This allows many applications where it ranges from you looking up, let's say, username for its email, or you're looking up what to do given a particular value. To create a dictionary, we have 2 different methods. We can use the dict function, supplying it with some information in the form of another assignment. And we can also use the curly braces notation to directly create dictionaries. Much like lists, we can also create nested dictionaries. And again, like nested lists, we can use the double index notation to access sub-dictionaries and its information. In the next video, I'm going to talk about dictionary operators, functions, and methods. I'll see you guys next time.